Hiya, welcome to hashtag 10-minute collage. Every 8th and 22nd of each month, I give you a 10-minute collage. Most of the time, I'm not quite sure what I want to do, but I just try and juggle my way through. I always put a bit of cardstock at the back just to give it a bit of strength. This is just scraps that I have and use. I really do like that bit. If I put this piece here and then I put the invoice bit here, what you can do with that. A lot of texture there with the glue being wet. Looks good. Looks good. And put this piece here. I like that, but I don't think I want to use the string. I should, shouldn't I? Because that's how it was made. I did make it like that. I should use the string. Just let it flow like that. And let's put that there. And I like this. Can be layered. Put that up there. I like that. I'm still trying to get as much as I can out of this big bottle. Right. That here. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'll see how it works out. Put a stamp. The stamp says London, Britain. I remember when I made these and they turned out so good. I used a lot of them. I have used a lot of them on other projects. Let's put some flowers, some botanicals. Oh, I really do like this. That. I need to put a girl. I have to. I must. I miss having a girly. But I would like to maybe put something here. Let me try these ones with the yellow. Let's see if there's any yellow. These ones are purples. These ones are greens and yellows. So there's a yellow one here. That's nice. These ones are bigger. I think I'll use this one. I need a girly now. Maybe a summer one. I've got a lot of winter ones here. These are nice. I think I've got, let me look for some single ones or ones with more than two, because they're all paired up. Some of them are singles, not a lot. They're so cute. I just love them. There's one with a bike. I've used one of these before. I don't think in this new book though. Let's have a look and see, because the bike would be nice. This one's a bit big. Do I want to cover that? Don't know. I'm not sure if I want to cover that. I don't think I've got any more singles. They're all doubles now. All pairs. So that's nice. That one, her sitting down. Yeah, I think that's nice. I like that. Okay, let's put her here. I think that's nice there. And I'll put something up here, some words. That's words, sentiments, quotes. They might be a bit too big, these ones. That's nice. Practice makes perfect. I think that's too big. Live a life full of colours. I wonder if I can get that over there. Try to be a rainbow in someone's cloud. Nothing is impossible. Stay positive. That one's a bit big there. We become what we think about. Should we put that one? And this is a note to myself as well. Oh wow, I like that. We become what we think about. That is lovely. I like that. Punch the holes. If you've just been here for the first time, I punched the holes a little bit bigger because I know in the near future I'm going to have to change this ring to a bigger one, and the hinges on the ring, the bigger the rings get, the bigger the hinges get. So in order for the ring to turn easily, I just make the holes a bit bigger. That's it. I love, 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 love this. Okay, if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. See you back on the 8th of next month. Bye for now.